Alright guys, hope you guys doing well. Today we got another episode of the Destined Rivals. And let's see what this pack will bring. And we got a Water Energy. We got a Steven Skarmory. Ivan Toskul. We got a Team Rocket's Coffin. We got a Smoliv. Team Rocket's Watchtower. Looks like a freaking prison to me. We got a Shaman. Ethan's Adventure Trainer. We got a reverse Team Rocket Murkrow. We got a reverse Cynthia Feebas, and the rare card is Team Rocket Articuno. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.